Well, let's start with a stack of these side plates. Mason's Vista Blue and White China, 1940s, 1950s China marks, all in very fine condition. As you can see, we've got a stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Let's just show you one in detail. Great reflection on there. Look, hardly a knife mark on it. Really nice. Can you see the texture in that Vista? You can feel this, not just the quadrooning and the pie crust around the rim, but the actual transfer is so well done. Beautiful cobalt blue. There's the period China marks, Vista England permanent detergent, proof decoration with the angular crown. These actually are marked 268 on this run, all of them 268. I'm not sure of any significance being attributed to the 268 in terms of their production run. I think it's probably just a batch number that's been printed in there by Masons. They're all in very, very fine condition. It's quite a thin ironstone plate, the Vista from this era. They don't feel bulky or heavy. They're quite nice and light, and I do like that about them. 5 of them in very fine condition. Do be aware they make a 6 and 7/8 inch version of this, just almost just under 7 inch, really, isn't it, that? So 2 versions of the side plates from different periods, or around the same period actually. Would have made them side by side in various sizes to allow graduated sets to be set on a table for display purposes. Very nice examples. Mason's Vista Blue and White 6.5 inch side plates from the 1940s. Link below will take you through to the website listing. Thanks for watching.